Welcome to As Cricket Is My Teeth. So who am I anyway? Well, I'm Shefali Singh. Did it get too weird? Sorry. So yeah, I'm Shefali Singh and I'm based in Dubai. I'm a budding blogger, clearly. And I wanted to start a YouTube channel. Stay tuned to find out why. Secondly, why am I starting this YouTube channel when there are a million others already? I am embarking on a journey to find myself in a foreign land. I wish. I'm actually starting this YouTube channel to document a year of my life in Cardiff, where I'm headed to do my master's in international journalism. I'm the kind of person who likes to be as prepared as I can be, especially when I'm venturing out to a foreign land and trying new waters. When I went on to Google to find everything there is that I could find about Cardiff, I realized there wasn't much. I mean, there was plenty of information on the Cardiff University website about student life in Cardiff University, but there wasn't much in terms of what the student life in general is going to be like, and what should I look forward to when I try to search for, Cardiff tourist destinations, something that I would like to see. But there wasn't much. I want to know how cold it is. I'm going from Dubai and it's mostly sunny out here. So when they say it's cold, which is what they usually say, so how cold is it? Is it a sweater cold? Is it a jacket cold? Or is it like a 3-layered outfit cold? I need to know that stuff, man. And that's what my videos are going to be about, not the weather in Cardiff. So what is student life in Cardiff like? What is life in Cardiff like generally, of general people who live there? But I'm focusing on student life because, well, I am primarily a student, and second of all, most of the population in Cardiff is comprised of students and international students as well, because Cardiff is really big on accepting international students. So a couple of the topics that I will be covering in my videos are student queries, especially if you are an international student, Indian or going from Middle East, and want to attend university in UK or generally US and Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Russia, wherever you want to go. General international student queries when you've never been to those places. I will be talking at length about how to apply and what to do when you get an offer letter, how to choose your career. So basically student advice. I will be making a lot of travel logs in and around Wales, which is where Cardiff is. So general student life advice, general Cardiff life advice, travel logs, DIY, interiors, home decor, because I'm really big on organization and decorating my room, and this is going to be the first time I'm going to be living alone with a room to myself. You cannot imagine the excitement that I have, and I've already planned out how I want my room to be and color theme and what is going to go where. Basically, it's like all in my head and I'm just waiting to get there. So I'm hoping that you guys like what I create and also that it helps you out. If there are any questions at all that you'd like for me to answer, please do stay in touch with me, comment. You can email me personally if you want. My email address is going to be in my About It description page. Please do stay tuned if you are also an international student who is going to be traveling to Cardiff anytime soon or in the coming few years and want to know as much as you can about Cardiff like I do. I'm basically making these videos for my kind, the ones who love to travel, the ones who would love to find hacks in life to live in Cardiff, what you'd like to wear, where you want to go, where you want to shop, what you want to do in your free time, what the student life is like. So I'm going to be covering it all. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be uploading a new video soon. And am I forgetting something? So anyways, this was our first encounter. I hope you liked it. Fifi out. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you were wondering who Fifi is, that's me. My pillow just fell. So yeah. Bye.